Hayden is a great helper. He loves to help by doing chores. Oh, hi. My name is B, like the letter B. This is Mr. Butterfly. And this is Mayta, the Brown Bear. After we are done reading our book, we are going to learn how to help by doing chores. We just finished our book about Hayden and all the different chores you can do to help out. Do you know what color this book is? It's light blue. I have a question for you. Do you know what a chore is? A chore is a job that you can do to help out. I have an idea. Mayta, would you like your very own chore list? Yes? Do you hear that? No? Well, listen harder. Do you hear that? It's the idea train. Whoa, Mayta, look. All right, let's put the box right here. Thank you, idea train. Whoa, Mayta, look. It's your very own chore list. It has pictures of all the different chores that you get to do to help out. Okay, I'm going to put the chore list right here. Mayta, look, a jar of purple stars. We are going to put these purple star stickers on the picture when we are done with that chore. That way we will know when we are done with all our chores. Should we get started? Yes? Okay. Our first chore is to clean up all of Mayta's dirty clothes. Whoa, Mayta! All your dirty clothes are everywhere! And look, it's Mayta's dark blue dirty laundry hamper. Mayta, do you think all your dirty clothes belong on the ground? No. Where do you think we should put all of Mayta's dirty clothes? In the dirty laundry hamper? Okay, let's do it. Whoa, Mayta, we did it! We cleaned up all of your dirty clothes. Doesn't it look a lot nicer around here with all your clothes picked up off the ground? Yeah, I think so too. Okay, Mayta, we are going to put a purple star sticker on our chore list. Okay, so I'm going to peel off the back of the sticker. See that, Mayta? Okay, here we go. Whoop. Throw that over there. And we will put our star sticker next to the dirty laundry picture. Right? There. Now we know we are done picking up our dirty laundry. Wow! Our second chore is to clean up all of Mayta's toys. Mayta, look at your toys. They are everywhere. Mayta, do you think after we are done playing with our toys that we should put them away? Yes, I think so too. Should we help Mayta clean up his toys? Yes. Okay, let's do it. All right, your space shuttle we will put away. Let's put away your dinosaur, Stegosaurus. Okay. Oh, look, your xylophone. We will put that away. Okay. Now for your blocks. We did it, Mayta! We picked up all your toys off the ground. They are nicely organized and put away inside this basket. Doesn't that look neat? Yes. Okay, let's put our purple star sticker. Whoop. Next to the picture of all your toys on our chore list so that we know we are done with that chore. Our third chore is to throw away our trash. When you are done with a dirty tissue or a snack wrapper, you shouldn't just throw it on the floor. What should you do instead? You should put your trash in the trash can. Inside here. Mayta, it looks like you've had a runny nose. There's some dirty tissues over there. Oh, and it looks like you've had a couple of snacks too. Oh, I see a cheese stick wrapper and a couple of other snack wrappers. What should we do with all this trash that is on the ground? We should put it in the trash can. That's right, Mayta. Okay, let's get started. First, our cheese stick wrapper. Put it in the trash. Next, 2 more snack wrappers. Put them in the trash. Oh, Mayta's dirty tissues. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them in the trash. Isn't that better, Mayta? Instead of throwing your trash on the floor, you can put it in the trash can. We have to take our purple star sticker. Where should we put this? Yes, in the trash can. Okay, we're going to take our sticker and place it right next to the trash can so that we know our chore is completed. Our fourth chore is to rake up all the leaves in the front yard. Whoa! Mayta, look at all the leaves that have fallen from the trees. Wow! And look, Mayta, I have a rake that is just your size. Mayta, let me show you how to rake up the leaves. Like this. Whoa, make little piles. Okay, let's put our rake down. Right here. Now we have our leaf pile. We can put all the leaves in our green yard trimming bin. Let's do it, Mayta. We did it, Mayta. We raked up all the leaves on the ground. Now it's time to put a purple star sticker next to the leaf so that we know we are done with this chore. Nice work, Mayta. Do you know what time it is? It's time to dance. This is where we stop what we're doing, stand up, and dance. You can do whatever dance move you feel like doing. Do you hear that? It's the idea train. And look, it's Pinky the Boombox. Hi, Pinky the Boombox. Okay. Thank you, idea train. We will put Pinky right here. Pinky plays our music. We take this gold cassette tape and put it in here. And we close it up. Then I'm going to push the play button, the button with the triangle on it. Are you ready to dance? Yes? Okay, I'm going to push the play button now. Whoa! That was a lot of fun. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing. Our fifth and final chore is to help set the table for dinner. Mayta, I am first going to do my table setting to show you how to set the table. You ready? Are you ready? Okay, first, set your plate down like this. Next, your napkin. I have a green napkin. I will put it right next to my plate. Now, I'm going to take my spoon and my fork and place them on top of my napkin, right next to my plate, like this. Okay, now I will take my glass and put it right here. That's how you set the table for dinner. Mayta, now it's your turn. Okay, so what do we do first? What do we have to put down first? Mayta's plate. Okay, we will put Mayta's plate right here. Next, we have to put down his napkin. I have a blue napkin right here. Okay. Now what goes on top of the napkin next to the plate? That's right. Mayta's fork and spoon. Okay. I will put the fork right here and the spoon right here. Now, what is the last thing that we put down for Mayta's setting? A cup. I have a purple cup right here. And we will put the purple cup right above the napkin right here. That is Mayta's table setting. Now we get to take a purple star sticker. Whoop. And put it next to the picture of the table setting so that we know we completed this chore. That was a lot of fun doing all our chores. If you want to watch more Mayta videos, search Mayta's name. Do you know how to spell Mayta's name? Let's do it together. M-A-Y-T-A. Mayta. Then type The Brown Bear. Thank you so much for spending your time with Mayta and myself and learning how to help by doing our chores. Until next time, bye!